The first thing you'll want to do is go to clouddentistry.com and select Sign Up. Then you'll select I'm a professional or a student, and it should take you to this professional registration page. I already went ahead and filled out my professional registration. It asks you for your name, your last name, an email. I always recommend using an email that is not a school email because you might lose access to it after you graduate. Your phone number, opt in for text messages because then I can reach out to you personally about your account, your zip code where you live or the zip code where you plan on working, the type of dental professional that you are. In this case, I'll select hygienist and I'm still in hygiene school. You can select I'm still in hygiene school even if you graduated but you don't have your license yet. Then you type in your school name, your graduation date, and your exam date if you know it. Make a password, read the terms and conditions, and click agree. Then sign up. It should take you to a page that looks similar to this. As you can see, I've already filled out some of my profile, but on yours, all of these boxes will remain unchecked. So the first thing you want to do is head to your dashboard or front page of your profile, head down to Activate Profile, and follow the prompts underneath it. These steps are the 4 steps that you'll need to activate your profile. We'll type in my school name, make sure your graduation and exam date are entered, and as you can see, it checks that box. Next, you want to verify your phone number. When you click this, it will send your phone a code. Then you can type that code into the box. Same thing with your email address. When you click this, Cloud Dentistry will send you an email. You'll click confirm in your email and it will check the box. Lastly, you'll need your dental license number. Obviously, if you're a student, you haven't received this yet, so you can leave this blank until you receive it. For dental assisting students, you'll need to activate your profile completely to apply to externships in your area. Now that you've completed most of the steps to activate your profile, let's work on getting your profile as visible as possible so that when you type in your license, your profile is at the top of the list.